Within the page palette, you'll notice up here that it says None, a Master. Okay, this is where you set up the guides and stuff, or create a master page for your project. Okay, so if you, like, let's say you want to set up a guideline for all these pages. It might be a pain in the butt to redo everything over and over and over, just like how we might have to do in Illustrator. What you might want to do is to go to the master, select the page, and then let me zoom in a little bit. And then just like the other Adobe programs, you could pull out your guides so that you could create a series of guidelines. Okay, for this you have to move this, you have to click on it and then drag. So using the direct select arrow, click and drag. If you want to get rid of some guidelines, you will have to select it and then delete it. Okay, or there is a section in here that has the guides, and just like the Illustrator in Photoshop, hide guides, lock guides, and all that. Okay, so you could get to that with the View tab. Okay, so this one, let's just say that this was the third, divide in thirds. For this side, we'll divide this thing in half or so, something like that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. Actually, it's supposed to find the center for me. So 8 and a half, so 4 and a quarter should be half point. So something like that. So if we go back to the regular pages, all of your other sheets will have that guideline set up for you. Okay. For these pages, you can always go ahead, just like the other programs again. Let me zoom out a little bit. And if you need more pages, wherever your highlighted pages are, that's where it's going to add your pages. So I'm going to get my pages to the very last part that's activated and click on the Create New Pages part, and then it'll create another new page for you. And you could keep going on and on. If you happen to select this page and then click, basically you just added a page right after that one. So it doesn't matter right now when everything's blank, but it will matter when you start putting contents in it and then try to fill in a new page, and then you'll find out that if you had your active page somewhere where it shouldn't be, you'll add it right after that. Okay. To get rid of pages, you can click and drag into, or I believe you could click holding the Shift key all or as many pages as you want, and then click and drag to the trash can, and it will delete some of your the selected pages for you. Okay. So there we have guides and how to add and delete pages.